Hey, so this is just a kind of quick orientation to how I have the course set up. I am in student view, so you should be able to see what you would see if you logged into the course right now. And so you may notice that this might look a little different. This is what you see when you get into the course initially. And it may look a little different than you have seen in the past, and that's because we're playing around with a new template. And honestly, I am hoping to play around with another kind of way of accessing stuff as well. Oh, you know why that's not working, but haven't gotten there. Probably won't change it on you midstream, we'll see. Anyway, so down here you've got some general information. This link will take you to office hours and office hours link and that sort of thing. This Guidelines for Success I highly suggest you look at because it's got some tips for just general online instruction, but then because I wrote it, some of them are things that may help you understand how I have things set up. Otherwise, definitely click on Start Here. If you want to make sure that you've got everything in the syllabus right there in your hand, here's a typical paper format of the syllabus. But then you have the different pieces of what syllabus content's broken down for you. So instructor information, course information, dispositions, university policies, textbook information, grading scale, late work and other policies. There are some other kind of course-specific policies tapped into that I would suggest you look at. And then here we've got a list of the course requirements. So the different things you're going to do in the course for me and how many points they're worth, what percentage of your grade that is. And, oh goodness gracious, it's not letting me go back. Then you also have a link to the course schedule. So you've got due dates and topics and that sort of thing. Please note that you do have work due this Thursday. It's all introduction stuff. So reading the syllabus, doing a syllabus quiz, and that sort of thing. So that's this page. Highly recommend you spend some time poking around, reading everything on this page. The other thing you do, you get to the landing page, you click on course modules, and it takes you to all of the content of the course. I like to design things and have been told and taught that it's best for you to be able to access everything from one place. So that one place right now is here. Also, you can access it by clicking on modules on the left side of your screen. The very first kind of module content piece you see here are general course resources. It's got everything you need for the big things for this semester. So another opportunity to access the syllabus, but also then course descriptions of each of the assignments, along with video explanations of each of the assignments, and additional resources as are appropriate. And then at the bottom, just some general resources for using Canvas. I also highly recommend that you play this plagiarism game. Plagiarism is more broad than you probably realize, and we don't want to have conversations about plagiarism a few weeks from now. If you turn something in and it's copied and pasted and not cited and all of that stuff. So please spend a few minutes doing the plagiarism game. Then you see the first module. Modules generally I have set up in similar formats where you'll have a page that gives you objectives, readings, and a task summary list. And then an introduction, some other resources, some things to do to engage with, maybe some videos, and then a discussion board and a reflection. So you see just that one right there, and I have a couple more edits to make to it, as you can see. But that's generally how I have the course set up. If you have questions or think some additional information would be helpful, please let me know.